My name's Derek Herman. I'm an ex-international athlete. I used to throw javelin for Wales. Unfortunately, I had an accident where I broke my back in 6 places and partially damaged my spinal cord. I can't go out and work, so I try and volunteer and give back to the community. I trained 7 days a week for up to 8 hours a day. I was the best at what I did. Unfortunately, when I got retired due to my back, my mind sort of imploded because that's all I'd ever known. I didn't know what to do, how to do it. I couldn't cope with the pain. I was on so many painkillers and so many different sort of painkilling tablets and stuff like that. It was ridiculous. I've had to rebuild my mind to be able to get stronger, to take more pain, to take less painkillers. And every day is a growing process. Every day I need to get a little bit stronger. I need to take that extra step, because if I don't, then I'm going to go backwards. I can't stop. I was literally to the point where I was so low, I'd picked the wall I was going to drive through and kill myself with. A 3-foot farmhouse wall at over 80 miles an hour. And I picked that wall, and I was very close to going through that wall. Not afraid to say it. Llanelli and Llanelli are a great group of people. They are amazing. They've given me my spark back. They've given me a way of being able to not only help heal myself, even though that will never happen physically, but mentally I've been able to heal myself to the point where now I can actually give back to other people and put smiles on people's faces, which to me that's the main thing. It's incredible. It's all the shops and people have got together and they put on events for Llanelli Town Centre to try and perk it up, make it nice and do something for the community, and they do an amazing job. There's a lot of people behind the scenes doing a lot of hard work to pull these events off. You know, I love watching people walking away with a big smile on their face saying, "Oh, I've had a great day, I can't wait to come back and do another one." That's what lights me up and makes me want to keep going. You know, if people see me going out and helping out doing an event, we've already had people say, "Oh, how can I get involved?" And they've sort of come on board and done events with us. You know, it's fantastic. I love being able to sort of, as people say, pay it forward. You know, give my time so someone else can have a great time. You know, everyone has the capacity to go out and give an hour at a time, or, you know, give a little bit of time and do something nice, or go and cut the neighbour's grass, or, you know, or go out and help with the events with the line, or go out and be a Carmarthenshire street buddy with Llanelli Rural Council. Everyone can go out and give their time. You get a time credit, and then you can use those to go to various places and use them. Like, you can use them to go and watch the Scarlets play, you know, and I have done several times. I've also gifted time credits to a lovely lady who then took an entire bunch of nurses from a cancer ward out for a night of 10-pin bowling. You know, so you don't have to spend them yourself, you can gift them, you know, to other people that need it, and they can go out and have a nice day out. I volunteer for the Men's Shed, which is a group set up to help men with mental health problems and also just men in general who are lonely. We have people just coming off the street most times and just get in touch, talk to us, and, you know, all of a sudden then they're coming there. They come in, they have a bit of fun, they have a cup of tea and, you know, have a chat, and like me, never left. And we've had some good success come from the Men's Shed as well. We've managed to enable people to gain confidence and gain skills to be able to actually go out and get a job. The more time I'm giving, the more I'm actually getting back out of it myself. The happier I'm feeling, the better off I'm feeling. My well-being is massive just by giving up a little bit of my time.